Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Nespresso Vertuo Plus. Might be useful if you're having problems with it. Right now the machine is on and you can see it has heated itself up. We need to make sure that there's no pod in the top. So I'm going to lift the lever up and the pod will fall out towards the back. So it's completely empty here now. We're going to close the lid and we need to turn the machine off. So we're going to hold down this lever until the lights go off. It will take around about 3 seconds. 1 and 2 and 3. And you can see now the lights have gone off. We now need to put it into menu mode. So we're going to do this by hitting this top button and the lever down for around about 4 seconds until an orange light comes on. You have to do them both at the same time. So doing it now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And we've got an orange light. We now need to tell the machine to put it into reset. We're going to do this by hitting this lever 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and now we're going to hit this top button to confirm, and you will see it will go from orange to green. So orange lights and then back to green. And that is it. The machine has now been reset. So you can turn it off. And now it's been fully reset. Thank you so much for watching.